My name is Siddharth Rout and I'm your Power BI instructor. I'm thrilled to be a part of this exciting learning journey. I've dug deep into Power BI because I'm passionate about data analytics and visualizations, and I can't wait to share all my learnings and experiences with all of you. I've been a part of various sectors and organizations, assisting them in leveraging data to make wise decisions and propel company success. I have roughly 14 years of practical expertise in the field of data analytics, including 6 years of experience with Power BI. Throughout my professional life, I have witnessed personally the revolutionary effect that well designed reports and visualizations can have on an organization's capacity to survive and grow in the always changing data world. My strategy is to make Power BI learning engaging and entertaining. I'm aware that every student has a different set of abilities and goals, and my intention is to meet their specific requirements. I'm here to help and assist you in any stage of your journey, whether you are a novice exploring the fields of data analytics or an accomplished professional looking to advance your proficiency with Power BI. And this is not a one time assistance. Students whom I have trained on Power BI years ago still call me to clarify doubts or to get clarity on how to tackle a particular situation. I also have a YouTube channel where I have videos on Microsoft Excel VBA programming. So, if you are interested in learning VBA programming from scratch and that too with high quality videos, then do visit that channel once. I assure you it'll be worth your while.